Hi friends, I am Tirak. You're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're just going to see how to insert images or pictures on your canva sheets on your computer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert the images or how to insert the picture on your canva sheets on your computer, just going to show in this video. For that, first step, you just need to click on the upload option and click on the upload file. Now you just need to select the image you just need to upload. I just upload this particular image here. So now it's going to upload here, and click this image to insert here. You can just insert it like this, or you just need to insert the image directly. Just click here and just paste here or drop here. So now you can just insert it to the image here. Now you have this option, other more options, like click on the three dot to have other advanced option, and also you have this option to crop, flip, and also the color options and a lot of the more options on the top. So it's so simple to edit. You can just also adjust the transparency. So this is how you just insert images on your canvas sheets on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful and also beautiful day.